Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a PowerPoint template. So let me show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template. Open a PowerPoint and insert a triangle right like this and move this right here onto this bottom of the template. And let me just adjust it, and what we're gonna do next is duplicate it and rotate it like this and move this triangle on top. Be sure to subscribe my channel and let's decrease its size and adjust all the triangles. There you go. And we have to move it downwards. Let's increase the size of this triangle and move it downwards as well. Let's move this triangle onto the left a little bit. There you go. And now the next thing we're gonna do is duplicate the triangle and make that one smaller and move it onto the left side next to this upper triangle, and let's increase its size a little bit. And let me just adjust it right here. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select all of them and remove their outline and go to format shape and picture and texture fill and insert your picture. Let me just give it some shadows. Let's increase the size of the shadow. Go to format background, select each of the image and uncheck this box that says tilt this picture with the shape. Now let's just crop the shape and the picture. Let's adjust the picture. Let's go shape format and crop this picture again. Let's adjust it. There you go. Let's select this picture and crop it. There you go. That was all you had to do. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert tab and add this side corner shape, and let's just decrease its inner size right here like this. Move it right here above the text. Let's remove its outline and change its color. I'm gonna use eyedropper to choose the suitable color that fits the template perfectly, and let's give the shape a shape effect. Duplicate it and move it upwards right here. Move it a little bit down. And let's change its color. And go to outline and remove its outline. There you go. Now let's duplicate this template. And let's select this picture and this picture. And let's move it upwards. And select this image and you have to move this downwards. Select the frame and the text and move it to the left side of the template. Be sure to make it outside of the template. Let's just select these frames as well and move one of them upwards and move one of them downwards. Let's duplicate the first slide again and move this last slide into the middle first. And let's select all of them and give them morph transition. And just let me give the timing for the transition, and this is a preview. So this was all you had to do. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and content like this. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your thoughts.